Please sit in a comfortable position. Ensure that your back is straight, your head and your back are in one straight line. See to it that your shoulders are nice and expanded. The chest is expanded. Shoulders relax. Rest your palms comfortably on the knees or the thighs. Keep your eyes closed. Lift your gaze slightly upwards. Let's start with this practice of meditation with 3 rounds of Om. For that, we'll breathe in and exhaling, we'll chant Om. Just be aware of your breath. Just try to observe your breath flowing in and out of your nostrils. Don't try to manipulate or control the breath. Let it flow. Just observe. Feel the air at the tip of your nose. Feel the air under your nose. Just observe. I am breathing in. I am breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Try to feel and observe the slight difference in the temperature. As you breathe in, feel the cool air. As you breathe out, feel the warm air. Detach yourself, just be an observer. I am breathing in. I am breathing out. I am breathing in. breathing out. My back is still straight, chest is slightly expanded, gaze slightly upwards. Let's try to follow the breath now. Follow the breath right from the start. Feel the breath entering into your nostrils, going further up to your eyebrow center and out again. Try to feel your breath in this passage, entering into your nostrils, reaching up to the eyebrow center and out again. Feel the movement of your breath in this passage. Let's try to follow it further. The breath is entering into your nostril, reaching up to your eyebrow center, then coming down till the back of your throat and out again. Try to follow your breath in this passage, entering the nostrils, eyebrow center, going down till the back of your throat and out again from the same passage. Let's try to follow it further, moving down into the lungs and out again. So feel your breath entering into the nostrils, reaching up to the eyebrow center, going down till the back of the throat, going further down into the lungs. Try to feel your breath move along this passage. Now that you have felt and identified your breath along this passage, just try to focus your attention at one point where you feel your breath the most. Just try to feel your breath at that one given point. Gaze is still slightly upward. Feel your breath at this one single point. Try to keep your awareness only at this one point. If your mind wanders away, pull it back and engage it to this point. Feel your breath. Just be an observer. Don't try to manipulate your breath. Very comfortably, my body is breathing in and out on its own, at its own pace. I am just an observer. Feel the calmness around you. Feel the calmness inside you. Where the breath goes, the mind goes. My breath is at one single point right now, and so is my mind. Continue observing your breath for the next 2 minutes. Try to keep your mind fixed at this one point and just observe. To come out of this meditation, again we'll chant 3 rounds of Om. To come out of your meditation, gently rub your palms together. Now place your palms gently on the eyes. Feel the warmth and relax. Have an amazing, peaceful and calm day. Namaste.